Hi friends, welcome back to my channel SciTaker. Finally friends, I'm back with another gaming features comparison between the Realme UI 3.0 versus Miui 13. Yes friends, very soon we're gonna get the Miui 13 as well in few of the smartphones. But right now I did install the Miui 13 type of game turbo in this device. And right now I'm running the latest official Realme UI 3.0 update in my Realme GT device. This is official update. There is no beta, there is no trial version. This official version, as you can see friends, which has been released for the Realme GT device. And if you want, you can actually download the GameSpace application as well from the Play Store, which is available, which has been also updated recently, as you can clearly see. And in this video I'm going to focus especially on the gaming features comparison. What are the changes, what are the things I did like in the Realme UI 3.0 versus the Miui 13. That's what this is about, the video. So in terms of Miui 13, I did not install Miui 13 UI in this moment, but I did install the Game Turbo latest version, which is going to release, which is going to come with the Miui 13. So that's what I'm going to demonstrate when comparing between these both features, which has got what type of advantages and what are the things you should know before you install this latest update. So let's start with the first thing which I did like in the Realme UI and which I did like in the Miui 13, I mean Game Turbo. So first in the Realme UI I did like one thing, which is real-time FPS meter. Finally you will be able to add the real-time FPS meter. As you can see, now you'll be able to see the real-time statistics of the gaming data right now. As you can see friends, exactly with the real-time FPS statistics. So by using this FPS you can actually get a clear idea whether the phone is actually performing kind of good or not. That's what I did miss in the previous generation of the Realme UI, because previously the Realme UI used to be only one side. I mean, when you try to drag, only then you will be able to see the real-time FPS, otherwise you won't be able to see. But with the latest Realme UI 3.0 you can actually keep this floating window wherever you want. That's the best advantage which I did like. Apart from that one, everything rest of the options are completely similar friends. And one thing, voice changer has been added, but the Batman's mobile game is not supported. This game is not supported at this moment. You'll get this kind of message. And one more quick note, this voice changer is supported in the PUBG global version is kind of supported, which I did do the testing as well. But for the Batman's mobile game, it's not supported yet. That's kind of one thing which you should definitely understand regarding the problems in this Realme UI 3.0, what's happening as well. I'll keep on playing the game. Let me continue on the gaming features comparison. So next thing which I did like in the Miui 13 is about a few things which are the voice changer, which actually functions pretty good even while playing as well in the Batman's mobile game without any kind of issues. That's the one thing which I did like in the Miui phones, not only from now, even in the previous versions as well. The Miui was able to support the voice changes. I think this is maybe the first UI to support the voice changer, I guess, long back. And with the latest Game Turbo 4.0, you will get this kind of complete menu. So previously it used to be on the top side, right? Now we are getting completely to the left side, similar to the Realme. But the Realme has got pretty small, but whereas the Miui has got slightly kind of big interface, as you can see friends. But there is one small thing which is not visible, which is temperatures. In this Realme UI 3.0 you can actually see the temperatures, which I did like to monitor every time. So just to check how the phone is actually maintaining in terms of the heating temperatures overall. That used to be my favorite thing about the temperatures maintaining. This is a Snapdragon 888 processor friends phone which I'm trying to play right now. That's the reason it was really very smooth. Nothing much lag I am actually experiencing in this device at this point because of this Snapdragon 888 processor in the Realme GT. Nothing much made that lag, right? So as you can clearly see, not bad regarding the gameplay overall. So now let's move to the next topic, which is the shoulder buttons you can actually select in the Poco F3 GT. In my case, which I'm trying to use the shoulder buttons as well. In the Poco F3 GT, this is a Poco F3 GT, which I did install the latest Game Turbo. You can actually find the APK directly for the Game Turbo in my Telegram group. There you can actually get that. So this is a complete interface comparison friends. And one more quick note, you do have the clear memory, where you can actually clear everything from the background, and do not disturb mode, screenshot, recording, brightness control. You can actually increase and decrease the control. That's also pretty good advantage we are having at this moment. Not bad overall. And next things which I did like, it's floating window also available at this moment. If you want, you can use the floating window. Even same thing applies for this one as well. Floating window you can actually choose, as you can see, wherever you want. You can actually minimize as well in this way. That's kind of another fantastic option you are having at this moment in this Realme UI 3.0. And next thing, let's move to the gaming features. I mean, inside the game space application, what are the features it did include? That's another main thing, right? Let's go to the settings and special features, game turbo. So we can actually change two different styles, horizontal mode, or else if you want you can actually select as well. Let me to start again. You'll get this kind of sound effects in this new type of game space, and this is how the interface looks like between these both phones. So switch layout, and these are one type of layout you're having exactly. You'll get very good haptic feedback when you're trying to scroll along the games. If you want you can switch to this kind of layout. And here you do get the additional information of each game. Of each game you do get different settings. What kind of settings you can actually choose, the GPU settings, additional settings as well. Pro game, customize, touch sensitivity and swipe sensitivity for each and every game you can actually adjust individually. That's kind of really fantastic option. And if you try to go to the settings option, you do have the normal modes like performance mode, optimization, memory exception, Miui Wi-Fi speed boost, also game do not disturb. And in the game space, on the other side of the Realme UI 3.0, you do have the option called answer calls and speakers, notification cell, brightness lock, 40 vibrations. But for me, 40 vibrations are not working in this device. Unfortunately, even with the Batman's mobile game, it's not working. Smart network switching option is there, and quick startup option is also present. Quickly launch the games you frequently play. You can actually use this option to launch the games quick. That's another thing, which already do the separate video speed test comparison, so don't worry about those. I just want to test whether it's kind of working or not properly. So make sure to follow my channel friends regularly. And next is auto resolution. Automatically adjust the screen resolution based on your phone temperature and battery level. That's kind of really fantastic. As you can see, if the battery is kind of low, maybe the phone resolution might change to 720 resolution, I guess. That's really good. And maybe in case if you want to play the game and if you want to if you're not near the charger to charge the phone, maybe in that case you can actually choose, otherwise you'll lose the game quality and everything. And game filters also, it's kind of supported. As you can see, not all the games are supported, I guess. Let me to open the Battlegrounds mobile game and let's check the game filters. No, it's not supported. This game does not support. There are really good options friends in the Realme UI. So for example, voice changer, 4D vibrations and game filters, which you cannot use while gaming in the Battlegrounds mobile game. That's really very unfortunate to face this kind of situation in the Realme UI. I'm not sure when the Realme will be able to fix this kind of problems, because this is the official stable version, stable Realme UI 3.0, which has been released officially. So there's nothing to change at this moment. Maybe in the next iteration they might be able to add these features. But at this moment, these are a few things friends which I thought of just letting you know, comparing between these both phones. And overall, if you ask me which is my favorite, I would say having this floating FPS is my favorite. Even in the Miui and the Poco phones, there is an inbuilt FPS meter. As you can see, this is an inbuilt FPS meter which is present. Here also you can actually see the temperature and everything, clear data and all the details you can actually see clearly without any kind of issues, as you can see friends. Fantastic, right? But this is a kind of another thing, you need to go to the developer options to unlock it, and then you will be able to exactly use it, that kind of real-time FPS meter. But this brings to you the real-time settings in the exact game space, and which is very simple to use as well. Something which I did like, simple to activate. And that's it friends, thank you for watching. Stay tuned for more updates, and in case if you're having any other queries, let me know in the comment section below. And it's a quick comparison between the features of the Miui 13 Game Turbo versus the Realme UI 3.0 stable update in the Realme phones. Meanwhile, signing off friends, thank you for watching and listening for more updates. Bye.